Honestly, I used to take Delhi air pollution so lightly. Like क्या ही हो जाएगा. But look at me. Cold, sore throat, cough, and all these got worse due to pollution. But all these are just short term effect. Long term में हमें पता भी नहीं और क्या हो सकता है. And I don't know why no one is taking this seriously. So this is a gentle reminder for all of you. Please wear a mask. Don't go outside unnecessarily. Take every precaution you can. And हम जैसे कॉलेज स्टूडेंट जिनके पेपर्स आने वाले हैं, हम तो कहीं बाहर भी नहीं जा सकते, बट सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं.